Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson. Today I want to build a system and automation with you guys on how to create an AI system that generates backlinks for you. Now the way we're gonna generate backlinks is not in a black hat way rather than answering journalist queries. And to do that, before there was a website called Harrow, which is a help a reporter out. Then it switched to Connectively, but then it closed, right? But now there is the website called Source of Sources, which is similar to Harrow. So this person Peter sends you an email every day or a couple of emails per day about journalist queries that you can or anyone with the expertise can answer. And this gives you placements in big websites in a very white hat way or in a very legitimate way. And the links would be natural and will help your blog blow up and have a lot of new traffic. And it is obvious that backlinks help a lot in websites. No matter what Google says, it is the case. I know there's a lot of controversy, but if you get bad backlinks, for sure you will get your website or your blog will suffer. So go ahead to this website, sign up, subscribe, and then you will get an email like this one. It would be from Peter here, and then it will have these things, right? Um, each one will be a summary, the email of the person, what they need. Okay. Now what we want is to build an automation that waits for this email and then answers if this email is within our expertise. Okay. So I didn't think of that yet, how to do that. I'm going to do it with you guys. I think this will be beneficial to you and to me as well. So you will see me build this as we go. Before I start, make sure to check out the links in the description below. They're helpful to you guys. I will also have whatever scenario I finish today, also as well as a link below for you to you can just click on these three dots and import the blueprint. So what I want is probably start with an email. So I'm gonna watch for emails. So of course I have to re-authenticate. So let me do that. All right, so I did authenticate. So now I have to choose the folder. I'm going to choose inbox, criteria, only unread emails. So the sender name will be this person here, Peter. I'm gonna get the email. Okay. No, maximum number of emails is 1. Okay. And from now on. So choose where to start. I'm gonna select the email. Let's see. If I run this, yeah, this will wait for the email. Choose where to start. All right, so make sure you have all emails here in the testing phase, okay? Just so we can get the latest email. Let's see, select. And then we'll select the email, save. Let's rename this so we don't AI backlinks responder. Okay, let's save. Then if we run now, we'll get the email, which is in here. That is the email that we want. Okay. I'm gonna save, and then I will so now that we have our email, the next step is to we want to first, because this email here is big, and what we want is so we have all these categories, and there's this separator between them, and the categories start. So this is the index here, and here with this one it starts, right? With this one it starts. So we can we can set variable, and then in here we can say we'll grab the text, the content, and we want to make a split. So we'll use the text functions, and we're gonna say strip, and we all know that with strip we will have the text and then what we want to separate. So split on these. Okay, let's say test here. So I'm going to say yes, then choose that email again, then I'm going to run. I don't know why it's still running. It should... maybe we need... okay, now it's continue. There you go. So now we have an array, the beginning here, and then 2 would be the where it starts, right? Summary, deadline, time zone, then query, and then we want to split based on this. Okay, so we want to do another variable. This variable will take number 2 here, so the second one. So let me do it in here, number 2, and then we need to split as well. So we will split, and we'll split based on this. Okay, and we'll get this and put it right here, and this would be queries. So we will save. So this will give us an array of all of them, right? What we want to do is we want, of course, we want to ask AI to go through each one. So we want to go to flow control. We want to iterate over them. But first, let's run this at least once so we have something. Okay. Again, we'll choose where to start. Maybe in this case, let's go to email. Let's get email. Let's choose the folder. Inbox. Criteria. Okay, then we'll get the sender name from here. Okay, let's put this here. Let's first disconnect this, and we're doing this just for the testing purposes, so we don't have to keep on clicking the same thing again. So this will get me the email that I want. I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna restart this. I'm gonna refresh. I think the internet is quite slow. Okay, so it's opening. Again, I'm gonna unlink this. I'm gonna link it to here just for testing purposes. And I'm gonna just replace this text with the text from here. Okay, and then everything should be fine. I'm gonna run. Okay, we'll see here we have all of the queries, and the last one we don't need. What we can do is remove the last one. Let's see if there is one array command that removes the last one. Remove. Last. Okay. I remember there was this command in in JavaScript for removing the last bit, which is pop, I think, but it's not maybe available in make. Yeah, so this returns the last one. Okay, I think this is good. Slice. I think slice is a good one. Let's try it. So we'll set another variable here, and we'll select the queries. Let's do the slice. So slice, and the first one would be the array, which is queries, and then end. So start and end. Let's Google this just to make sure. Slice. As you can see, I'm just searching this. Okay. I think -1 would be the thing. So 0 -1. Let's try that. 0 -1. Let's save that and let's name this queries here too. So we're just removing the last bit. Okay, now we have another array exactly as we need. Okay. We can put this in here so we don't have, let's try to do that. So let's put the whole split in here. Save. Let's see if that works. So we save a little bit of nodes there. Queries, exactly, it works. And this is okay. So now we can put this here. So we have, sorry. So if we run this, we'll have bundles based on the okay, queries. Yeah, I forgot to put the, so I need to put here the array and then run. All right, so now we have bundles. Okay, what did I? It's not giving me what's there's this value inside. Sorry. Okay, so the value inside is what we what we need. So now we'll connect it to AI with Opera Router and create chat completion. And here I'm gonna add first a system message and then a user message. Now here will be, this is the journalist query, and here I will put the value, and here we need to put a prompt. You are an expert email responder agent. You are tasked to analyze journalists' queries and respond with an in-depth with a concise, professional email answering their queries. The output should be in JSON, and it should include the following. So here is relevant, true, respond with true or false, based on if the email falls within the expertise of of let's say you are an expert email respondent to analyze journalist queries and responds with on behalf of a professional AI expert in automation in automations and systems. Okay. Of the it falls within the expertise provided. Okay, let's do that. And then the other field would be email. Answer. This would be the answer on the query sent. Make sure it's concise and professional. Make use of bullet points when needed. Okay, and then what we want is also the email of the journalist that should receive the answer. Okay, let's on behalf on behalf of Alex. Who is Alex? Alex is a professional AI expert in automation and system. He has 10 plus years of experience creating and working with automations and that's it for now. Of course, you can write your own based on your own niche. And you can also supply your own social media as well. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna say reply output only JSON and nothing before or after. Let's save. We choose the model. Let's choose ChatGPT 4o. Then after this comes where we parse. We're gonna parse whatever answer we get from the here. So we're gonna parse the answer, and then we're gonna create the email or create the draft, right? But before, we need to check here. We'll put a filter relevant, and this will take let's now first test what we have in terms of how AI will work, and then we will see if things work. Let's save, and let's run this once. Yeah, here, let's wait on this before we do anything. Okay, so this created the bundles. Choice, see here. So, okay, relevant false answer. It created this. And JSON, please. So here, for the sake of argument, so there are 15. I'm gonna slice 14 here. So I'm gonna keep, or I'm gonna slice 10, so I don't take all of them. Okay. Let's see the actual. Do we have any query with AI in them? So we have insurance here, legal, okay, loan, home expert, okay, interior designers. So okay, there's a lot of interior designers ones. But the first one, let's see, the first one is homeowner insurance broker. Okay, let's do that just to test with. Okay, I think that's good. We'll only take the first one for now. Save, and then let's run it. This. Let's see the answer here. Okay, provided an answer. Okay, let's tell AI first, why is this yeah, so sign off the email as Alex. And don't include from the beginning. Let's run this and see what it gives us. Okay. So it gave us two answers. One is relevant is true, and there we go. Email, everything, but then the second one, okay, also, yep, perfect. So what we need to do now, it did what we wanted. We'll plug this in, and then we will make the condition of relevant, and then we'll choose Boolean. Only if is true, continue, okay? If it's not true, do not continue. And then here, we'll think we'll create a subject as well. We'll ask AI to create a subject, but the answer is this one, and the recipient is this one, and the folder would be the draft one. Draft. Okay. Now the final thing to do here is to ask to create a subject. Subject. This would be the subject of the email. Make it short and grabbing. Attention grabbing. Okay. Let me save. And then we'll run this again. The first one is relevant. Second one is relevant as well. So let me see here, the first one. Okay. So it gave us the subject. Let's see the subject. Let's put the subject here. Okay. We hit save. So we'll just swap these at the end. Okay. Let me save and test that again. So, okay, this the first one. See how the answer was here. How the answer was here. Okay, the first one was this. Okay, because it's not. Okay, first one, it wasn't relevant. Then the second one was not relevant. The first one was relevant, as I can see. Yes. Okay, so I think that works. Let me go to the email and let's go to draft. Okay, there you go. We have the email there. Of course, we can, the email, the subject is great, the email is here. We just need to we can create an HTML version out of this email if we want. Content type, we can just plain text, and let's put that in here. Answer. Okay, if we want to make it HTML, then we would need to ask AI to provide it in HTML format. Let me save and let's run this again. We'll delete that. And there you go. Okay, it fixed it. Okay, perfect, says the Alex and everything. Okay, so I will now swap this with this. So just that now it watches for the emails and it triggers based on that. I'm gonna put this here and make sure that it only takes unread emails with this sender, and after it's fetched, it fetches the email, it marks it as read, so it doesn't take it again. Okay, perfect. From now on, I'll delete this and I'll just need to replace the text from here with the new text node that we have, and it is in here. All right, so this is a system you can sell even for a lot of money for people that wants these services that create backlinks. You can sell this system for them because it works. Like you can make it work every every 15 minutes. Wait for that email, it will go ahead and grab the email. You just need to replace this bit about the person, the name and the experience, and you can even put the social media links in here, and then it will answer those emails, the relevant one only, and it will create the draft. If you want, you can just not create the draft and send directly the email. If you want that, you can do that as well. I hope this was beneficial to you. I'm gonna keep this blueprint for you, so you can not go ahead and remake all of this. All you need to do is to import blueprint, and there you go. Thank you for watching. If you did like this video, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one.